Hi guys, after resting for a little bit in the hostel, I'm starting now my walking tour, and behind me is the night market here in Vientiane. Yes, so we'll be back here later, but first I have to eat because I haven't eaten my lunch yet. I only have my snack. Yes. For preview, this is what you will see here, but we will be back later when it's already sunset. And the first thing that we're going to do is we will be visiting that famous restaurant, and many have recommended it that you should go there and eat there during dinner time for you to witness sunset. Let's check if it's really worth checking out. So I think this is the road going to Tipsy Restaurant. Let's check. I think that's the restaurant, guys. Oh, so this is the building of Tipsy Elephant, guys. So that's the name of the restaurant that we will be visiting. So let's check that out. So Sky Bar is level 10. So it's one of the tallest buildings here, guys. So the building where Tipsy Elephant is located, guys, is a mixed-use building. So it's like a hotel, and then here we have a gym. We call it Sure Fitness, and it's nice, guys. So it's a 10-story building, and yeah. We are now riding the elevator. So that's where we are heading, guys. Tipsy Elephant Sky Lounge. So lobby ang first floor, second floor is restaurant, third to 8 is guest room, and then Tipsy Elephant is in the 9th. Yes. So this is the way going to Tipsy Elephant, guys. Kita na ko sino, guys, ha. Tsada kayo yung effect. Oh my gosh. Worth it, giday siya. Oh, look. Nice. Nice. So it's already golden hour, guys. And it's getting nice here. Look. Oh my gosh. Wow.
A few moments later.
So far, guys, ito na yung nakaon ako. And so far, so good. I like it, guys. Hindi siya gaanong masyadong strong yung flavor niya at yung taste niya, unlike siguro sa Thailand. And then I also love chicken wings with a sauce. So umiilaw na yung mga lights, guys, kasi padilim na siya. And of course, it's already sunset. Wala nang sunset, guys, because it's already 6:56. And you can see here the different kinds of houses overlooking and Mekong River, and then accordingly the other side is Thailand. Guys, katatapos ko lang kumain, naubos ko yung chicken wings, pero itong tom yum goong hindi ko na naubos yung sabaw, pero naubos ko na yung lahat ng meat at saka yung mga mushroom. So masarap siya, guys. So ito na yung itsura ng restaurant, guys, by 7:20 na madilim-dilim na talaga siya. So nakailaw na yung mga lights, so maganda na siya yung mga lights, pero wala na yung sunset effect niya. Pero maganda naman, so at least na makikita ko yung view sa night time ng Vientiane. So ito yung restaurant, guys. Hello. Excuse me, it's Thailand, right? The other one, Thailand, other side. Thailand?
Yes, Thailand.
Yes, sir. Okay. So accordingly, guys, that daw is Thailand. So you see that river? That river is Mekong River. On the other side of the river is Thailand. So let's have a closer look of Thailand. And may nakikita ako na ano guys, amusement park. Look, parang nakita ko na to siya sa vlog. So, tingnan natin if may chance tayo na makagala dyan. Look. So, Thailand. Pero hindi na ako makakakuha ng magandang view kasi madilim na siya guys. And unlike Bangkok na ang taas ng mga buildings, sa countryside ng Thailand, hindi gaano. Exclusive lang yun sa Bangkok at saka major cities ng Thailand. So ito yung restaurant guys by night time. Karamihan sa mga tao is naka-table doon sa gilid. And ito yung mga workers nila. And ito yung lavatory. And then CR. Diba ang bongga ng CR nila guys? And I'm done with my dinner guys. I paid 392,000 kip. So medyo pricey siya pero worth it naman kasi masarap siya. Let's go! Tingnan yung lobby guys. So nice. This one is in hotel. Outside this building guys, it's starting to become lively kasi may mga colors na yung mga buildings. So may mga kainan. And of course, kapag dyan kayo kumain, syempre talaga, mas mura dyan. So if you are on a tight budget, you should eat here, not upstairs.